Hi friends, this is Abhishek here. Welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, we will talk about the relationship. So different types of relationship available in Salesforce and how we can create it. So basically, we are in our ongoing Salesforce complete course playlist, and we have uploaded like 9 lecture up to now. Today is the 10th lecture number 10, and today we will talk about the relationship. So what is relationship basically? So relationship in Salesforce refer into the connection between different data objects within the platform. These relationship enable you to associate and link record, facilitate to structure and organize approach to data management. Okay, so it's basically used to make connection between two different objects. So one call as parent and one call as child. So child may be multiple. Okay, like we can say like one class have multiple students. Okay, so here what is class is the uh, parent object and student is the child object. Okay, so we have total five types of relationship, mainly lookup, master detail, self lookup, external lookup relationship, and hierarchical lookup relationship. So there is two main relationship which we are asked in many interviews, like what is the difference between lookup and master detail relationship. So and this question also asked in many interviews, and yeah. So let's talk about firstly lookup relationship. So lookup relationship basically loosely coupled relationship, and in this we if we delete parent record data, then its associate child record not automatically deleted. Okay, and the security and sharing settings also available for both object, because unlike ownership of the record takes both lookup and like child and master object. But in master detail relationship, it is a tightly coupled relationship. If we delete like parent record data, then all the associated child record also deleted automatically. Okay, and it's by default required. Like if we it is mandatory to select parent record in master data relationship, and the ownership of the record owned by parent object only, parent record only. And child record inherit security and sharing setting parent by default. Okay, now the talk about like self lookup relationship. We will create also lookup and master detail in this video, but firstly we talk about the definitions. So lookup relationship, basically a lookup relationship is when a record within an object is related to another from the same object. This is done by creating a lookup relationship field on the object that point back to itself. Okay, that we call as lookup relationship. Okay, for an example, like life insurance policy have multiple type of policies. So if this relationship we can call as self lookup relationship, when an object relate to itself, then we call as self lookup relationship. It is created by lookup relationship. External lookup relationship is when a Salesforce object linked to the external object with matching external ID, then we call as external lookup relationship. And now what is hierarchical lookup relationship? So this relationship created on user object. Okay, when an user refer to the another user. then we call as hierarchical lookup relationship, or this relationship only available on user object. Okay, not on other object it is available, like such as assigning a manager to a user. Okay, and these all relationships are one to many relationship, because one is child, or one is parent and multiple is child. But if there is a requirement to create many to many relationship, then what we do in Salesforce, we have to create junction object. So junction object nothing but an custom object. There we create two master data relationship which relate to two different object. Okay, so that's how we can create many to many relationship by using junction object. It will also be create in upcoming video, but for now let's create lookup and master relationship. So we are in our own uh, like org. So like I have two object, student and class have only two record available, and student doesn't have any record. So now I should to go student object manager, then try to create new relationship field. So click on new, and because student and class, so class is a parent object and student is a child object. अब like thinking about the scenario, like it should be delete students record automatically when the class is deleted. So yeah, yes, so now we decided like which relationship should to create here. It's master data relationship. Okay, so now should to create master data relationship. So here the data type lookup relationship, master data relationship, action lookup relationship, and for self lookup relationship we have to create use lookup this lookup relationship and like relate itself directly choosing the same object. Now like thinking about like where is a hierarchical lookup relationship. So when we go on user object, because I already told you like hierarchical lookup relationship available in user object only. So like now try to create new, then it's available in hierarchical lookup relationship. Okay, so from here we can create hierarchical lookup relationship. So I think you understand like where we can create different relationships. So I selected master relationship here to make relationship between student and class. Click on next, then here relate to, so I need to select parent object. So one thing keep in your mind, like relationship field can be create only child object. Okay, so from here I need to select class, then click on next, then from here I can select like relationship field, like select class and class. So I don't write anything. Helping test select a class, and allowing from here we can allowing reparenting, and yeah, the other things we can go. So by default not it's allowed reparenting in master relationship. So if we check this echo, then only we can allow. Then click on next. From here we can set the sharing setting as well. So from click on next, click on next, then yeah, you observe like we can't select like which area should to visible, so it is already selected. Okay, because it's the child object. That's why. When we click lookup relation, then there is a checkbox selection and edit option we will find. And now click on next. Then it's like related field name. So I just uh, exist like label is students. Then save. Okay, so now let master relationship is created. Okay, then go to class student object, refresh it, and try to create new record. Then you are able to see like there is a field class. So when we click on, then we have two records available for now, 10th and 11th. So let's select 10th, and it is mandatory. I already told you like in master relationship it is mandatory to select uh, class. Then the other things we selected, then blood group B, state UP, then city name Kanpur, and other option subject should be arts. DOB is around 2003. For student name is Ankit. Then save it. So now it is created. Okay. So you are able to see like the record is created, and by default there is no option to edit it. Okay. There is no option to reselect class in master relationship. Now the time is to create lookup relationship. So till here, like I think you understand how we can create master relationship in different objects. So for create lookup relationship, we need to create one another object teacher. So teacher and student, because if the teacher is deleted, then student should not till deleted automatically, because teachers may be changed. Okay, so that's why like here we need to create lookup relationship. So now go to object manager, then create new object teacher, then teachers. Explorer, I already teach you how we can create new record. Then launch a new, save it. Then select the tab, anything, then click on next, click on next. It should to add student school object, click on save. Now the teacher object is created. So teacher name and one another field I created here, like years of experience. Okay, so number field I need to create here. Number based number in this one. Experience. Okay. Now click on next. Then select as it is. Leave it. Then save it. So now the teacher record is the teacher object is created. So I from here I need to edit so that I am able to see teacher object here. So directly edit and add teacher, because I already added in this application teacher object while creation. Okay, so now teacher object is here. So like in we are created a student record. So this is 10th class. So if we click on 10th, then we go this particular record of class. Okay, then we go related, then we are able to see in this student record associate with class in related list. Okay, this call as related list. If we create one another student, then it will added another like Mohit. We create, then everything leave it and class 10th again, and blood group B, subject science, and save it. Yeah, now go to again this class from here or there. Then now you are able to see like two student record associated with this particular class. Okay, I hope you are understand related list as well, like how we can see our associate record in the parent record. Now like we have to create another relationship which is lookup on the student object. So let's create a student, go to student object, then create on new, then select lookup relationship. For now click on next, then select here teacher, click on next, then click on next. So from here you are able to see like we can make it required, and this also we can select like when the associate record is deleted, then it should also deleted lookup. So we can do this by selecting different parameters, but by default it is not. Okay, cascade delete no option not available by default, but if we checked or select this form, then it may be make as much as master relationship. So I don't touch any other settings for now. Then click on next. Then as you know, like in the last, when we create a master relationship, then there is no option to select these. It's by default checked whatever the student have, not class have uh, visibility, because in master relationship the security and sharing setting uh, inherit by parent object, so that's why there is no option to select it. But in this uh, option we are able to see like we can select the sharing, like which one profile should to share this particular field. So and click on next, then save it. Now it is created. Okay, lookup relationship is created. From here you can able to see like lookup teacher and master rel class. Okay, so now create another student record as of now, like this one. Refresh it first. Now try to create new record, student teacher. Let me hard refresh it. Change destiny so that it is now able to see teacher and student both. So like we created lookup relationship on teacher object, so that's why it is not It is not have any option. Okay, it is not required, but in master relationship it is required to choose. So firstly, two record is created in teacher Aditya, Aditya sir, 5 years of experience, save it. One Ayush, 6 years of experience, and save it. Okay, now I created two records in teacher object. Now create two new record on student object. So Monica, student name I selected, right? Then son is 6, commerce, swimming, blood group B AB, state is MP, city indoor, then class is I selected 11, and Ayush sir I have selected. Okay, now the record is created. Now you are able to see like there is a pencil symbol, so we can edit and change this record option in the lookup relationship, but there is no option to edit in master relationship. So these are the like minor difference between master and lookup relationships. Okay, so the main difference like loosely coupled and tightly coupled relationship now checked, like it's Aditya sir and go to related, then the associate student code is able to see like S009. Okay, now test it like when we delete this Ayush sir record, then the S99 also deleted automatically or not. Now go to student and 009 not deleted. Okay, it's available. Okay, now it's Aditya sir. Now try to delete it. So maybe this is associated. Now there is it is deleted, but like it's empty, but it this student record not deleted automatically because it is loosely coupled relationship. But when we go to class and like there is two records associated with it, like 10th class student S007 and 8. When we delete this class, then automatically these two record deleted. Let's delete. Okay, now go to student object, then see that records are available or not. Now those two record automatically deleted. So that's how we can differentiate lookup and master relationship. So according to the requirement, we have to think like which one should to create lookup master tail relationship. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. This PDF link I will attach in the link of this in the description box. So from here you can access this PDF, and any doubt you have then you can comment below this video. So thank you for watching this video guys.